Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. In one of my last videos I showed you how to create an Etsy shop if you want to sell, well, your print-on-demand designs via Etsy. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Printful account and Printful shop, which will then allow you to integrate Printful and Etsy. Well, the first thing is obviously you go into the Printful website. You can then sign up here, assuming you don't have a Printful account. So then you sign up with your email, you type in your name, email address and password. I'll do that now and I'll see you in the next step. Okay, what they'll then ask you is tell us about yourself. What would you like to do with Printful? So this is pretty much up to you. What I would suggest here and what I'll do is maybe start my first e-commerce business or grow my online business I'm already selling online. So where are you mainly selling? And then you can let's just say Amazon here, and it doesn't matter. Finish. So what you'll do is you go to stores and then you choose your platform. And then you can select Etsy here and you can connect it. So there is actually a tutorial here, how to connect your Etsy store to Printful. What you need to do here, the first, and you can watch this as well, it's quite useful. Well, the first step is you have to authorize Printful Etsy application. So you click the connect to Etsy button below, and then you have to log in with your Etsy account and allow access to the Printful app. And then you have to assign products and upload print files, and these will then be published on the Etsy store. So go click connect to Etsy. What you then have to do here is allow access. I didn't show you that because it would have revealed my email address, but you just click through and you just hopefully clicked through, and then it, well, you basically did you just linked both stores. So what you can see here now is if you go back to stores, that you actually have a store now. We have the store More Passive Income now, and this is the name of our Etsy store, which I just created. So what Printful does, Printful actually gets the information from Etsy, and then you can view your store. Now that's pretty much it. So it was very easy, as you could see, to connect the Printful account to the Etsy store. So the next step will then be to add a product, and we can do that in the next video, and I'll take you through the whole process of adding a product through Printful to publish it on Etsy. So hopefully this video was useful to you. If you liked the video, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about print on demand, if you want to follow me on my print on demand journey, and if you want to learn about my successes and my learnings and also my mistakes. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.